Hello guys, welcome to Braga FX, the winning team. This is just a recap of the signal that I sent on Telegram group and we all took. And the signal came from the method or the strategy that I made a video about yesterday on Friday. So I just need to show you how and why I entered. If you have watched the previous video, you will know some of the things that I mentioned. Well, I look for order blocks basically on 1 hour time frame because I prefer it the most. I have back tested it and I've seen it have more signals that I prefer. Then that's it. So before we dive in deep and do everything, I just want to show you that this is our Telegram group and I sent the signal before I sent the video, the link to the video. Then on Friday I saw a beautiful setup, then I send the signal. Then this is how I send my signals. This is how I send my signals. I'll send a picture like this, a picture like this. Then the lot size and everything will be here. I don't mean you should not take the lot size that you see here, but basically what you just have to take is the entry and the TP and the stop loss, right? So the stop loss level is here, that is 5 pips. Then the target is here, the profit level is 50 pips. So basically that's it, and the price, and here the price. So when I say my signals, this is what you expect, this is what you should expect. Well, I don't have time to be writing them down, so I'll just send this so that you can or see what when I entered and everything. So yeah, I sent this signal and what happened, the market came and stopped us with just this, maybe half a pip, something like that. But anyways, that's okay. I'll explain more ways that you can enter these trades later in the other video, so stick around, don't go anyway, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and we'll be good to go. So when this happened, I sent another signal, then this was it again, 50 pips take profit, then 5 pips stop loss, because we'll be going for 1 to 10. I always want higher risk to reward ratio because it can help you in the long run. So that's it. So this is how basically happened. And when the market moved like this, moved my SL to break even or in bit of profits, then the market moved somewhere like 1 to 5%. Then I did not close my positions because I'm expecting, or I'm hoping the market will go down and hit my target. Why? Because it's this signal was on Friday, and the market closes, so now we'll wait for Monday and see how, and are we going to win, and what are we going to hit our final take profit or what. Anyways, let me just show you the difference between break and retest trade and also a order block trade, so that you cannot confuse them, because I know that it is quite confusing. So with that being said, let's get into the video. So this video is basically, I just want to show you how I entered and how I spotted my order block, right? So as I said, before doing that, let me just show you a break and retest trade. For example, here what we can see is this market here is consolidating, right? It's consolidating. So of course it is forming not higher highs and lower lows, but basically when it is consolidating, it is forming equal lows and equal highs, right? So now what are we expecting? We're expecting the market to come and break that level, or those lower lows and those high highs. Either way the market goes, maybe it can go up or down, but no one knows, right? So this is a level where the market was bouncing and going up, and coming down, right? So what I will be expecting is the market to break that level or to break that structure. This is for a break and retest, right? We are waiting for the market to come and break that structure and come and retest to that structure, to that very structure. I don't want you guys to confuse this, but I hope many of you know break and retest, right? So I just want to differentiate the two. Okay, so the market was consolidating here, it broke, then we highlight this level. Once we highlight this level, we are expecting the market to come to that level so that we can take a trade, right? So that we can take a trade like this. Perfect. And then we go for I don't know how you're going to set a stop loss in how many pips and how you're going to enter, but basically that's a break and retest trade, right? The last example, I don't want to make this video too long. The last example for break and retest, for example, the market gave us this high, right? So what are we expecting? We're expecting the market to come and break that high. Once it break it have to come to this level, and once it come to this level, we are going to look for a setup. Then we go for longs, right? For example, this, then we go for longs. So basically this is a break and retest. What happened? We have this zone, right? This higher high. We're expecting the market to come and break it, then come and retest that zone and shoot up to the moon or wherever it goes, right? That's a break and retest. But now order block now is different. Order block, if you watch the previous video, we said this last candle that caused the move to go up or down. So for a bullish trade, we are looking for a bearish candle that caused this move to go up, right? That caused this structure to break this previous structure. That caused the market to break this previous structure. The bearish candle that caused this market to break this structure. I hope you can understand, and if you don't understand, please refer to the other video, or you can ask me questions in the comment section down below. So this is what we are expecting, right, on a order block trade. So what will happen? This candle is the candle that we are going to highlight. So if the market now comes back to this level, that is when we are going to react according to our entry preferences, right? For example, here we could have had a break and retest trade, but not an order block trade. So basically I just wanted to show you that so that you understand the difference. Why we did not have a order block trade here? Because the market did not come back to this level of this last order block here, bearish order block, right? So that is the reason why we did not had an order block trade. Okay, let me go back here a little bit so that you can understand. So this level here, right, it's a high, it's a lower high that the market gave us when it was coming down, right? Beautiful. So we are expecting that structure to be broken. So what happened here? This candle here, the last bearish candle here, this one, I hope you can all see what happened. It made this whole move to go up and break the structure and came back to this zone, or came back to this candle, to this very candle. You can highlight the whole candle like this, and came back to this whole candle, right? So now we can take a trade there, or we can look for opportunities to take trade. Why? Because it came back to this order. because it came back to this order block. That is what we are waiting for. That is what we need. Beautiful. So now you can look for trades here on a smaller time frame, or another entry opportunity that you can find, or entry signal that you are used to. I'm going to show you other entry opportunities, other entry setups or triggers that you can follow to enter trades using this order block trading strategy. Beautiful. So I just wanted to show you this. I don't want this video to be too long, so let me go back to the purpose of the video of today. So what happened is this: we had this low, right, that the market created. So this is just self preference, how you can define that a low or a high have been broken, maybe by wicks or by the body closing below or above that level. It depends. But for this example, you can see all the wicks and also the body closed below this level that the market gave us previously here when it was going up, right? So basically we don't use trend lines, but I just wanted to show you this. So this is the lower that the market gave us. So what happened now? I'm expecting now, when the market is here and all this price action is not present, right, I'm expecting the market to come and break this low here that the market gave us. Beautiful. So now what did the market do? It came and break the market, this lower. It came and break this lower, right? Beautiful. Now we are interested now. So what are we going to do? We are going to identify our order block, right? We are going to identify our order block. So now we identify this order block here because it is the last bullish candle, right, that formed and caused this move down, right? It is the last candle that caused this move down. So, and the market broke, right? Broke this structure. So I'm expecting now the market to come back to that level so that I can look for potential trades, right? It necessarily doesn't mean that if the market come back here you have to take maybe shorts or long, but you have to look for your entry signals. Maybe the market will continue going up, right? Because nothing is guaranteed. But if you look at this particular trade, right, or this particular trading strategy, you won't believe what you see, guys, because it is brilliant. It is brilliant. So what did I do, right? I highlighted this level so that if the market come to this level, I will take a trade. So there are so many ways that you can enter. You guys. I'm going to make a video which is dedicated to that. There are so many ways you can enter, and I'm going to show you all the ways. So what did I do? When I said that the market is here, right, I immediately took a short trade here, and my 5 pip stop loss, I'll go for 5 pip stop loss. That's what I've back tested. That is what is working for me, and I love it like that. So you go and do your diligence, and you will find something that you will like and something that you have back tested and works for you. So what happened here is that the market came and stopped us. As I showed you previously, I shared this video, I shared this signal in the Telegram group, and we got stopped out within 5 to 10 minutes. I had to enter again on this level here because the 50% of this candle. This is some of the things that I said I'm going to show you how you can enter, and I'm going to make a video about that. So stick around. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can be notified. You can be notified each and every time I upload a video. So what happened? I made another entry here, and I caught this signal and had a 5 pip stop loss again, right there, and as you can see, then the market just dropped. Just like that. This is, now we are sitting at over 5% of our risk, our initial risk. So guys, this is how I entered this trade, and this is how I figured out this order block was valid for me. And yeah, so the trade is going, we are going for 1 to 10 risk to reward ratio. 1 to 10 risk to reward ratio. I always go for 1 to 10 risk to reward ratio. But if the market don't give us that, then we are going just to take what the market gave us. That's basically the truth of trading. So what I am expecting here is that you can see that the market here created equal lows here, and I know most retail traders, right, this is smart money trading, most retail traders, what they do is they see this market come here, and again here they see the wicks and everything, they say okay, this is a nice buy signal, then they buy, they put their stop loss right under, just below these wicks, and they target whatever they target. And what will happen most of the times is that the market knows that there are so many stop losses here for long trades, so the market is going to come and stop you out. The market is going to come and stop you out. That's why most of the times you see that whenever you put a stop loss, you are going to be stopped out because of that. It's called the smart money concept that you have to learn about, and it is pretty much interesting if you learn that. So guys, now we are sitting at 5% of this trade, and the 1% here that we took and we got taken out. So this is the beauty of it, guys. This is the beauty of it. So I'm expecting it to go down because I know that there is so much liquidity here. And the market like that to come and stop you guys. If it want to continue going up or whichever direction it want to go, then it goes to that direction. But it have to come and stop these guys out. It have to come and stop you guys out. Those ones are, we have their stop losses just below this level or this wicks. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video was very educational, and I hope you learned something new or you learned something. So I'm going to make more videos on this very strategy and showing you many opportunities, or maybe back testing the previous data and everything. Guys, there are so many opportunities that you can find. There are so many opportunities, and brilliant. And basically the risk to reward, it is way above 1 to 10. It is what it can go as far as 1 to 30, 1 to 50, 1 to 100. It is so beautiful, you guys. I'm going to be doing the trades with you guys, and I'm going to be showing you how I'm doing it and how I'm finding my order blocks. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys very much. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and also like. It can motivate me to make more videos, more interesting videos. If you subscribe, like, and share, I know that you like this content, and it can give me the energy to give you more knowledge of the things that I know and the things that I say they are my secrets. Maybe if you do that, if you show me that you guys are so much into this, I'm sure I can risk it on you. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. I like you and I love you. Peace out.